Your pothos could grow bigger leaves, produce longer vines, and develop stronger roots simply by changing what's inside the pot. Most people think fertilizers and watering schedules are the secret to growing a lush pothos, but plant science says otherwise. The hidden key to rapid growth is actually the soil mix surrounding the roots. In nature, pothos plants don't grow in heavy, compacted garden soil. They climb tropical trees where their roots are surrounded by loose organic matter, plenty of oxygen, and just enough moisture to stay healthy. When the soil stays too wet or becomes compacted, roots struggle to breathe. Stressed roots absorb fewer nutrients and send less energy to the leaves and vines above the soil. That's why some pothos plants remain small and slow-growing despite receiving plenty of care. Today, we're uncovering science-based soil mixing hacks that create the ideal underground environment for your pothos. These simple ingredients can dramatically improve drainage, increase oxygen around the roots, and provide balanced moisture and nutrition. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to mix the perfect pothos soil for explosive growth and a healthier, more beautiful plant. Section 1. Build a well-draining soil foundation. The first secret to faster pothos growth is creating a well-draining foundation. In tropical forests, pothos roots naturally grow among decaying leaves, bark pieces, and loose organic debris. Water drains quickly through these materials while still leaving enough moisture behind for the roots to absorb. This environment provides something many houseplant owners overlook: oxygen. Roots are living tissues that need oxygen to perform cellular respiration. This process allows them to absorb nutrients and convert energy into new growth. When roots sit in dense, soggy soil, oxygen levels drop dramatically. The roots become stressed, nutrient uptake slows, and growth begins to stall. To recreate the plant's natural environment, start with 2 parts high-quality indoor potting soil and avoid using heavy garden soil. Potting soil provides structure and some moisture retention, but it should never become compacted. The goal is to create a medium that stays lightly moist while allowing excess water to move through easily. A well-draining foundation reduces the risk of root rot and encourages roots to spread throughout the pot. Healthy roots mean more efficient water and nutrient absorption, which ultimately results in longer vines, larger leaves, and a thriving pothos that grows consistently throughout the year. Section 2. Add perlite for better root. Aeration perlite may not look impressive, but this lightweight white material can completely change the way your pothos grows. Perlite is made from volcanic glass that expands when heated, creating tiny pockets filled with air. These air pockets play a huge role in root development. Scientists have found that roots require a balance of water and oxygen to function properly. If the soil remains overly wet and compacted, oxygen cannot circulate around the roots. The plant responds by slowing its growth because stressed roots cannot absorb nutrients efficiently. Adding 20 to 30% perlite to your soil mix creates channels for air movement and improves drainage. Water can still reach the roots, but excess moisture drains away more quickly, reducing the chance of root diseases. Perlite also helps prevent soil compaction over time. Every watering slowly compresses soil particles together, decreasing airflow around the root zone. The presence of perlite keeps the soil loose and open. As oxygen levels improve, roots grow more vigorously and branch into new areas of the pot. A larger root system supports more foliage above the soil. The result is a pothos that produces stronger stems, healthier leaves, and noticeably faster growth compared to plants grown in dense, heavy soil. Section 3. Mix in orchid bark to mimic nature. One of the best-kept secrets for growing an impressive pothos is orchid bark. Although orchid bark is commonly used for orchids, It is also incredibly beneficial for pothos because it recreates the plant's natural growing conditions. In the wild, pothos often grows as a climbing vine attached to tree trunks. Its roots develop among bark fragments, fallen leaves, and decaying organic matter rather than compacted earth. This loose environment allows roots to receive excellent airflow and expand easily. Adding 1 part orchid bark to your pothos mix introduces large spaces between soil particles. These spaces increase oxygen availability and improve drainage. Scientific research shows that roots generally grow faster in porous media because they encounter less resistance and receive better oxygen exchange. Another advantage is that bark breaks down slowly, helping maintain the soil's structure for a long time. Ordinary potting soil eventually compresses and loses its air pockets, but bark pieces keep the mixture light and airy. Orchid bark also absorbs a small amount of moisture and releases it gradually back into the soil. This helps maintain a stable moisture level without creating soggy conditions. The combination of airflow, structure, and moisture balance encourages vigorous root development and supports faster pothos growth. Section 4. Add coco coir for perfect moisture. Balanced water management is one of the biggest challenges in growing houseplants, and that's where coco coir becomes extremely valuable. Coco coir is made from coconut husks and has an exceptional ability to hold moisture while maintaining good airflow around roots. Pothos plants prefer soil that remains evenly moist but never waterlogged. When the soil repeatedly swings from completely dry to excessively wet, roots become stressed. This stress slows root expansion and can cause leaves to become smaller or less vibrant. Mixing approximately 20% coco coir into your soil blend creates a more stable environment. The fibers absorb water like a sponge and slowly release it back to the surrounding roots. This steady moisture supply supports continuous cellular activity and encourages roots to keep growing. Coco coir also resists compaction better than many traditional materials. Because it stays fluffy and open, oxygen continues reaching the root zone even after repeated watering. An additional benefit is that coco coir promotes beneficial microbial activity. These microorganisms help break down organic materials and improve nutrient availability within the soil. When roots experience consistent moisture, adequate oxygen, and improved nutrient access, the entire plant responds with healthier foliage and faster vine growth. Coco coir acts as a natural moisture regulator that helps create ideal conditions for vigorous pothos development. Section 5. Feed the soil with worm. Castings' fast growth requires more than water and oxygen. Roots also need a steady supply of nutrients, and worm castings are one of the safest and most effective ways to provide them. Worm castings are produced naturally by earthworms and are rich in beneficial microorganisms, trace minerals, and plant nutrients. Unlike strong synthetic fertilizers that deliver nutrients all at once, worm castings release them gradually over time. Scientific studies have shown that soils enriched with worm castings often support greater root mass and increased plant vigor. The beneficial microbes found in castings improve nutrient cycling, making minerals easier for plants to absorb. Adding 10 to 15% worm castings to your pothos soil mix provides gentle, continuous feeding. Because the nutrients are released slowly, there is little risk of fertilizer burn or harmful salt buildup around the roots. Worm castings also improve soil structure by increasing moisture retention while maintaining aeration. This balanced environment supports both root health and microbial activity. Healthy roots absorb nutrients more efficiently and send more energy into producing leaves and stems. Over time, pothos plants grown in soil enriched with worm castings often develop richer green foliage, stronger vines, and more vigorous growth. feeding the soil instead of simply feeding the plant. Creates a healthy underground ecosystem that supports long-term success. Growing a stunning pothos doesn't require expensive fertilizers or complicated gardening tricks. The real secret lies beneath the surface, inside the soil surrounding the roots. By understanding how roots function and what they need to thrive, you can create a growing environment that naturally encourages faster development. A well-draining foundation prevents root stress and rot. Perlite increases oxygen around the roots, allowing them to breathe and absorb nutrients more efficiently. Orchid bark recreates the loose, airy conditions of a tropical forest floor. Coco coir provides stable moisture levels that support continuous root activity, and worm castings deliver gentle nutrition while improving the soil ecosystem. When all these ingredients work together, your pothos receives the perfect balance of oxygen, moisture, and nutrients. Strong roots develop beneath the soil, and that hidden growth eventually appears above the surface as longer vines, larger leaves, and lush green foliage. The next time your pothos seems stuck or slow growing, don't immediately reach for fertilizer. Instead, look at the soil. A simple adjustment to your potting mix may be exactly what your plant needs to reach its full potential. If you enjoyed these science-based pothos growing hacks, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more plant growing secrets. Happy growing, and may your pothos thrive like never before.